Nau mai koutou, ko owen ahau. I am Owen.
And morning, WINTON School, ko Matthew ahau. I am Matthew. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rā'apa the 29th of June.
Let's get into kupu or wiki. This week's word is māmā, which is te reo for mum or mother.
As in, ko Miss Gill toku māmā. Miss Gill is my mother.
That's māmā, which is te reo for mum or mother.
Kia ora, Pals News. None today because the hall is being used for the Einstein Quiz. Kia ora.
InterHouse spelling final. Here's 1 and 2. You're up today.
Oh yes, 1 and 2 finalists to the library at 12:45 with a pencil, please.
That's all year. 1 and 2 finalists to the library at lunchtime. Kia ora.
Goodbye. Health and safety. High VIZ vests. Everyone wearing them to and from school. Kia ora.
On to whare puka puka news. Closed today because of the InterHouse spelling. One birthday today at WINTON School.
Kira Jenkins in room 5 is now the lucky number 7.
Whānau, kia koe. Have a great day, Kira.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite a pupu. See ya tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay off the grass, WINTON School.